In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change desktop wallpaper in Windows 10. Let's get started right from your desktop. First, make sure you're on your main screen where you can see your icons and taskbar. Anywhere on an empty area of the desktop, click with the right mouse button. This opens a small menu, often called a context menu, with several options related to how your desktop looks and behaves. From this menu, look for the option labeled Personalize and left-click on it. This will open the Windows Settings window, specifically the section dedicated to personalizing your desktop. You should now see a panel on the left with different categories, and on the right, you'll see options related to your background. By default, you should be in the Background section. Here at the top, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose the type of background you want. Make sure it's set to Picture if you want a single image as your wallpaper. Below that, you'll see a few preview images that Windows suggests. You can click on any of those to apply them instantly as your desktop background. As soon as you click, your wallpaper will change, so you can quickly see how it looks. If you'd like to use your own image instead, look for the button that says Browse. Click on Browse, and a File Explorer window will open. From here, navigate to the folder where you've saved the picture you want to use. This might be in your Pictures folder, your Downloads, or any custom directory. Take your time to find the image you like best. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, and then click the Choose Picture button. Windows will immediately set that image as your new wallpaper. Below the preview of your background, you'll see another drop-down labeled Choose a Fit. This controls how the image is displayed on your screen. Options include Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, and Span. If your image doesn't look quite right, try changing this setting. Fill usually works well for most modern screens, but feel free to test the others until the picture looks the way you want. When you're happy with your wallpaper and how it fits, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically, and your new desktop background is ready to enjoy.